Hey guys, this is my F2P team. It's completely free to play. Today I'm going to show you how you can make team like this by doing daily challenges. First of all, you need to complete these daily challenges. These will help a lot to complete your star pass and gives you 300 gems and some rank up token, which will be helpful. And you have completed your star pass, which will give you some good rewards. Then you have to get this 2000 gem pack daily, because this is absolute cheap. 2000 for a draft voucher. Normally we have to spend 3000, but it is 2000. And then you have to complete the events, challenges and skill matches like this. You have to claim all of these puzzles, which you can get pairs for you, which will be helpful in badges. And if you look at this milestone, you also need to complete this, which you can get 5 draft vouchers and some good rewards. And in World's Club, you also complete these, because these will give you a lot of tokens for mystery drop and live OVR players. Collect live OVR players. Even though live OVR players is now gone, mystery drop will be worth it right now. Don't go for live OVR right now. Okay, we cannot claim it. So just go for mystery drop players. I would not recommend you to complete these chronicles, because they are too much time consuming. I have not completed it. They are too much time consuming and it is not worth a lot. You can get just 116 stars, which is not good in today's economy. And this you can get, no, don't go for it. It is not worth it in today's economy. Just 2000 gems. Yeah, not worth it. Instead of this, you can play head to head and versus attack. Bare minimum is 20 stars in head to head. I will tell you bare minimum. Manager mode, FCCMBM and versus attack, you have to get 10 stars. I will be completing the 10 stars. And on top of that, you have to go to complete these challenge mode daily challenge as well, which will give you 500 gems, and ultimate challenge, which will give 5000 gems. So here's how you can make this squad, which will give you a lot of gems. And make sure to open these free ones, which you can get something good. I get one free draft voucher. And go for 10 drafts at a time, which will give you good luck. And one more suggestion which I would be giving to you is join a good league, which would give you 10,000 gems. And you can complete these rewards, which will give you a lot of value till level 50. After level 50, it is not at all worth it, but you can get 10,000 gems. If you follow all these steps, you will get my team inshallah very soon. Like this video, subscribe to our channel and comment. Thank you.